has his job.
Yes, of course.
I have my job too, so. And the sea already calmed down.
Likewise.
I just thought that you really will come.
A few of you will already know these guys, Marika and Mark. We met them in Kenya, Crete, and invited them to join us for a holiday week in Egypt. We didn't arrive in Egypt, but they're crazy enough to visit us in Israel.
Cheers. Cheers, mate.
Cheers.
This is spicy.
Good one.
Lekker.
Ja.
Paparazzi.
Like real coffee?
Oh yeah, no.
Pancakes.
We just arrived last night in Tel Aviv. On our way, we had some issues with the fur legs of our Genua, and we wanted to fix it before we all had a walk on the beach and the old town of Jaffa.
Nina.
Wird auch noch hier gesichert.
It's a lovely sunny day in the beginning of January.
No.
All of us enjoyed the walk on the beach.
So welcome to the old town of Jaffa.
After our walk, we needed a hummus snack and planned what we want to do in the next 2 days.
Wir können mal eure Followers fragen, ob die denn lieber haben, dass du Deutsch redest oder Englisch.
Stimmt.
Und wenn die da eine Antwort geben, können wir es auch fragen für Ninja.
Wir haben jetzt, ich weiß nicht, 20 Videos gemacht, wo wir uns einen abbrechen und gekrampft Englisch sprechen, die uns halt vollkommen auf die Nerven geht. Jetzt wollten wir einfach mal probieren, eins auf Deutsch zu machen und gucken, was ihr davon haltet.
Sounds good. Sounds like a plan.
Ja.
And again, we are in Jerusalem. We strolled around the small streets and visited the Western Wall.
Via Dolorosa?
Wir wollen zum Anfang des Kreuzwegs, oder das noch?
Yeah, then this way.
Noch ein Stück weit.
Yeah.
Fourth, we had to go again to the prison of Christ.
Even here you can donate to the church.
Sure.
Yes, it's all about money.
Hast du alles, Maus? Sehr gut. Wunderbar.
Santa Claus. This is the real one. And these are all the helping ones.
On our way back to the train station, we found a local market and tried to get some limes for cocktails. They didn't have limes, but we found some small lemons which taste similar.
It's between lemon and lime.
Back on the boat, we played as usual with our guests some rounds Uno.
Het maakt echt geen klote uit hoor, of je die kaarten ziet ja of nee.
I have to win, so I have to look in your cup.
Yes,
Sorry.
but you're gonna win anyway.
Next morning, which unluckily is the last day with our friends, we rented a car to drive to the Dead Sea and visited the ruins of Masada. Masada is a natural fortress of majestic beauty in the Judean desert overlooking the Dead Sea. With a sheer drop of more than 400 meters to the western shore of the Dead Sea, the view from the top of the plateau would have been breathtaking. The silence of the ruins belies one of the most interesting episodes in the Jewish history. It is a symbol of the innocent kingdom of Israel, its violent destruction, and the last stand of Jewish patriots on the face of the Roman army. It was built as a palace complex in the classic style of the early Roman Empire by Herod the Great, king of Judea.
Easy does it. This is my kind of sea.
Beschissener UNO-Spieler und ich muss jetzt leider in das eiskalte Wasser laufen. Vom Toten Meer immerhin. Hätte schon tot. I'm a bad UNO player, bye. Oh, it's so funny!
Not more. Just float.
It's a really crazy feeling to float in the Dead Sea, and it's unbelievable how salty your skin feels after that.
De achtergrond is zo ook al koud. Weet ik wel dat jij dat leuk zou vinden.
Dat is grappig.
Oh, schön ist es ja nicht, ne? Aber wer weiß, wann man das nächste Mal im Totenmeer ist. Und so ein gestreiftes Seeungeheuer sieht.
Hello! Yeah.
See us next time, how the marina Tel Aviv was hit by a few storms, and I spent a few funny days alone in Israel.